Okay, here we go. This is my 1972 Chevy Nova. It's got a 350 Chevy engine with a 350 turbo 3-speed automatic transmission. It's a crimson red. It's a metal flake. Shines very nice. You can see all the metal flake. Very pretty. Really clean, straight car. Has SS badging, but it's not an SS, as far as I can tell. Paint shines really nice. Very pretty. Has all blacked out trim along with the bumpers. Here's the engine. 350. Factory air. Power front disc brakes factory. It's been converted to R34. Good. Good. Has a HEI distributor, ignition system, fires right up, runs really good. Do that in just a second. Also has power steering, very tight. Great power steering. Oh, I wanted to show. This is the first startup of the day. It's cold. You can see it's like 80 degrees outside, so you can see basically ambient on the intakes, on the heads, ambient headers, all ambient temperature. 78. There we go. Good. You'll see the inside. Here we go. Needs a headliner. Back seats are awesome. The only thing that needs to be replaced in here is headliner. And I have a new one in a box. And there we go. It's got air conditioning. It has the Four Seasons air conditioning, the top of the line. Has the aftermarket gauges, you can see. Has a Jensen cassette deck. And it comes with Tom Petty greatest hits. Can't go wrong with that. It also has a power booster here, and comes with the owner's manual. I don't know if it's original to this car or not, but has all the stuff in here. Everything. Also tells about the Four Seasons air conditioning system, how to operate it. And there it is. Compressor works. I don't leave it hooked up. It constantly runs. I don't know why. It just needs to be rewired. Let's go ahead and start it up. Keys. Good. Gauges all work. You see, no smoke. That's good. Here, a little squeal from one of the belts. idle, adjusted the idle the other day. I'm going to go ahead and the idle up just a little. There we go. Now, let's take her for a ride. It is registered in my name. I have a title. Clean and clear. Hope that didn't disconnect us. Seat belts. Click. Let's take it for a quick run. Signals work. Brakes stop on a dime. Well, I should take off slow here. Let's just see it does shift all gears. There we go. Sing first. Second. About 40, runs really good. Brakes great, no problems on the brakes. Whoops, a little too much there. Sorry, this thing wants to run. All the gauges, there's no clock. Right now I'm getting about, because it's just started up, got about 70 pounds oil pressure. Running about 180 temperature wise right now. It's charging 16 volts on the battery. Steering is responsive. I'll go slower this time. And right to third. There we go. Car handles wonderfully. I love it. Take it around some curves here up the hill. Oil pressure is about 60, a little over. Temperature is about 120. Runs about that way. It's a hot day today. Still charging the battery. It'll drop down later once it's been running a while. Here's the, let you hear the music.
You just can't creep up behind me.
There's a power booster. Here's without the power booster. Here's with it.
She's my girl.
I don't want to get copyright violations. There we go. Spray. Front tire's a little oversized. But just be careful. Pressure's down to 60. Temperature's still about 120, 110. I'm sorry, 210. AC fan comes on. The compressor does work. I have it disconnected because it won't. The compressor won't shut off. Keeps on running. It's not good for it. It's not running. Also has Freon in it. The system holds the charge. But I was told that it has a clogged line. Let me open up my garage. We'll back her in. Show you the reverses works too. And voila. Thank you.